In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iMessage on your iPhone and iPad without a SIM card or phone number, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you've run out of SIM cards or want to keep using iMessage without one, this guide is for you. First up, you need to ensure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This step is crucial as Wi-Fi will be your primary method of connecting and sending messages. It's just like when you browse the internet, your phone or tablet uses Wi-Fi in place of mobile data. Next, let's get you signed in with your Apple ID. This is the key to unlocking iMessage without the need for a phone number. Your Apple ID acts like a bridge, allowing you to keep all your Apple services in sync and ensures your friends can reach you just like always. Now let's navigate over to the Messages app settings. You'll start by opening Settings on your device and then scroll down to find Messages. Tap on it to open the Messages settings menu. Once you're here, you'll want to toggle iMessage on. This will enable the service. You might get prompted to sign in again with your Apple ID, so be sure to have your login details handy. After you've done that, iMessage will start activating, and you'll be one step closer to sending messages. Following that, let's look for the Send and Receive section within the Messages settings. Here is where you will define how you can send and receive iMessages. It allows you to manage which emails or numbers are associated with iMessage. Under You can receive iMessages to and reply from, make sure your Apple ID email is selected. This email will serve as the virtual number where people can reach you using iMessage. Last but not least, under Start New Conversations From, select the same email address you chose earlier. By doing this, you'll ensure your replies and new messages will consistently come from the same contact point, making it less confusing for anyone you message. And that's it. Now you can enjoy communicating with your friends and family through iMessage without the need of a SIM card or phone number. Remember, all of this won't work without Wi-Fi, so always make sure you're connected to a network. This setup can be especially useful if you're traveling, using a secondary device, or just don't have a SIM card handy. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to maximize your Apple devices by using iMessage seamlessly across your devices without a SIM. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.